Hello everyone, and thanks for joining us. We're here today talking with attorney Tyler Pierce. Tyler, thanks for being here.
Thank you for having me, Ken.
So Tyler, why is it important to create an estate plan?
Well, Ken, generally people don't like to think about estate planning for much the same reasons that we don't like to talk about or think about life or health insurance. It forces us to deal with those difficult situations where you're having to contemplate what happens when something goes wrong in your life. And unfortunately for all of us, we're going to have to deal with those circumstances at some point. And there's a lot of common misconceptions that come in with estate planning too. A lot of people think that they don't need estate planning, and usually the top reasons that I hear are one, that I'm not a wealthy person, so I don't need any estate planning. Everyone, regardless of the size of their estate, needs estate planning. And the other one I hear frequently is if they have a spouse, well, my spouse will just get everything. Unfortunately, most people don't realize that under North Carolina state law is that all property doesn't immediately pass to the spouse. There can be circumstances where other people could be entitled to it. And finally, also, I'm young and healthy, so I don't need to worry about estate planning. Well, other than just the naivety and denial about that, there's a lot of other things that go into estate planning other than just the will and where my property goes. So it's important for everyone. What an estate plan will give you is control over your assets, and to make sure that when you pass, your property goes exactly as you had intended. In addition to that, there's also provisions in there that would allow for a guardianship if you have minor children. That's also very important to most people. And also, it can help to reduce your expenses and taxes at the time you pass away, which can be important for many people. And then finally, it also gives you that peace of mind that comes with knowing that when you leave my office, you've got an estate plan that will take care of your family and will perform exactly as we had talked about, and so that you have that confidence that comes with an estate plan that will provide for your family when you passed away.
Well, Tyler, that's some valuable information. I appreciate you sharing that with us today.
Thank you, Ken.